Learning how to insert and remove your contact lenses is easy. With a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Let's get started. First, wash and dry your hands using mild soap and a lint-free towel. Always start with your right eye. Remove the lens from its case or blister pack and place it in your opposite hand. If you wear a monthly or 2-week lens, rinse the lens with the multi-purpose solution recommended by your doctor. Scoop the lens up on the tip of your index finger. It should be curved upward like a bowl. Check the lens for any particles or tears. Now with your free hand, use the middle finger to pull down your bottom eyelid and your index finger to hold up the upper eyelid and eyelashes. Look upward and gently place the lens onto the white part of your eye. Let go of your bottom eyelid first. Look down to help position the lens, then release your upper eyelid. Blink a few times to make sure the lens is in place. Repeat these steps to insert the lens in your left eye. Now, let's go over the removal process. After washing your hands, start with your right eye. Look upward and use your index finger to hold the upper eyelid. With your free hand, use the middle finger to pull down the bottom eyelid and your index finger to slide the lens down to the lower white part of your eye. Use your thumb and index finger to gently squeeze and remove the lens. Follow the instructions from your doctor to clean and store your lenses. Then, repeat these steps to remove the lens from your left eye. With practice, inserting and removing your contact lenses will get easier and easier. If you have questions, be sure to ask your doctor.